Welcome to Balay Ihungan Farm. Kami po ay nag-aalaga ng kabuti o mushroom. Pinapakita po namin kung paano inalagaan, niluluto at kumita. Kaya huwag kalimutang mag-subscribe ka Balay.
Maayong buntag kabalay ato ang buhaton karon manguha tag-uwot para sa atong uhungan.
Pag bago ka pa lang sa channel na to, paki-subscribe at paki-hit sa notification bell para updated ka.
Mao ni si Kuya Lito ang ato ang kauban sa Balay Ihungan Farm.
So, mga tumida to karon kay manguha mi guhot para sa balay uhungan. So, let's go.
Hi Kabalay, 3 years ago, noong nag-experiment pa kami kung paano magpatubo ng kabute, itong dayami ang unang ginamit namin.
Bagong yan.
Oh, biya. Bagong
Nagitreasure.
Oh, dili dai bagong inani nga humay din gitracer mo biya. Oh, katawo man ka be.
Bisa lain po sako.
Ang ginagawa dito ay binababad sa drum na may tubig buong magdamag. Tapos sinachop namin mga 1 inch ang haba. Tapos sinahluan ng sawdust at takpan ng 3 days para ma-compose. At steam ng 8 hours para matamnan. Alam nyo ba kabalay na mabilis lang pagdayami ang gamit kaysa puro sawdust? 15 to 18 days tutubo na, pero 2 months lang ang lifespan ng mushroom fruiting bag.
No, I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up. I don't ever slow up. No, I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up. No, I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. Everything I do so instinctive and so passionate. Every word I move so descriptive like an adjective. I got a vendetta against people who patented being negative when you should be getting after it. I got facts over tracks, this and that. Spitting slow, speaking fast. I could roast, I could gas. Think I'm okay at last, but I don't know if that can erase all the past and the pettiness. A reflection of the emptiness. Hilarious, you think you're with my time, you're delirious. Mysterious, because you hide behind a fake exterior.
So yun lang
Inferior, you
kabalay,
know I'll always
sana
be a bit
nagustuhan
superior.
nyo.
Get
Thank
off
you
of
for
me, this ain't no
watching.
humble brag. I want you to hear words, you can say them back.